In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm the change so it sticks. Before you start, make sure you can access the inbox of the new email you want to use. You'll also need your current Slack password ready because Slack will ask for it to confirm your identity. This keeps your account secure. Begin by opening Slack on your desktop or in a web browser and head to your account settings. The quickest way is to open your profile, choose the option to view more profile settings, and then select Account Settings. This will take you to a page where your account details are organized into sections. Find the section labeled Email Address. You'll see a small option to expand it. Click Expand so the email form appears. Now, carefully type in the new email address you want to use. Double check for typos. Small mistakes here can prevent you from receiving the confirmation email later. Below that, enter your current Slack password. This step confirms it's really you making the change. Click Update Email to submit. At this point, Slack immediately sends a confirmation message to the new email address you just entered. The change isn't complete yet. Nothing will update until you click the link in that email. Keep your Settings tab open so you can return to it if needed. Now switch over to the inbox for your new email address. Look for a message from Slack. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute, then refresh. Also check your spam or junk folder, just in case it was filtered. Open the message and click the confirmation link inside. That click finalizes the change and tells Slack to save your new email on your account. Once you've confirmed, your Slack login will be associated with the new address. Your workspaces, messages, and preferences remain the same. Only the email you sign in with has changed. The next time you sign in, use the new email address along with your password. If the email never arrives, verify that you entered the correct address back in the email address section and try again. Also make sure your email provider isn't blocking automated messages and that your mailbox isn't full. That's it. With just a quick update in settings and a confirmation click in your inbox, you've successfully changed your Slack email. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and stress-free.